Hello everyone, welcome to assignment 6 of Introduction to Internet of Things. First question is Python programming language can be easily interfaced with different IoT hardware. So the answer is true, that is A. Next question is consider the following Python instruction AA, BB, CC and that is equal to 34 and in bracket you have 12, 23, 34, comma 56.89 is the above a valid Python instruction. So the answer is S, A. Next question is which of the following is a valid conditional construct instruction in Python? So the answer is B, that is elif. Fourth question is consider the following Python code snippet. Assume Python v3. So here you have the snippet and you should find out what will be the result here. So here the answer for fourth question is C, that is A. Fifth question is which of the following is a mode to open a file in Python? So fifth question is the answer for the fifth question is D, that is the read mode, write mode, append mode. So all of these. Sixth question is what does the following line of code do? So this is the code gpio.output bracket 11 comma true. So here the answer for sixth question is B, turns on GPIO pin 11. Seventh question, what is the utility of the PIP instruction with respect to Python programming? So the answer for seventh question is A, that is to act as a package installer. Eighth question is suppose you have used the sock.bind server underscore address while writing programs with sockets in Python. So with respect to this, which among the following is a valid initialization of the server address object? So here for eighth question, the answer will be B. Ninth question is where do you store the image file of the Raspberry Pi OS before using it to execute the OS on the Pi? So here the answer is C, inside a memory card attached to the Pi. Option C. 10th question is with which of the following remote access mechanism can you access a Raspberry Pi from your laptop computer? So the answer for 10th question is B, that is SSH. 11th question is fill in the blanks. Raspberry Pi 3 model B has a GPU support of dash. So 11th is A, that is 400 megahertz video core 4. 12th question is what is the data type of the variable 1s in the following piece of Python code? So here the answer for 12th question is A, that is dictionary. In 13th question you are given an image. So the question is which among the following component is highlighted within the red box in the image? So what is this image? You have to find out. It is a Raspberry Pi camera, that is option C. 14th question is relay is a type of actuator which can be used with Arduino but not with Raspberry Pi. So 14th answer is B, that is false. Sorry. Now last question is state whether the following statement, this 14th is B. State whether the following statement is true or false. Python allows us to only read files. Writing to files is not possible. So the answer for this is false. That is B. Now submit your answers. So the deadline to submit the sixth assignment is 3rd September 2025. I hope you all will submit the assignment before the deadline. Thank you.